It's a very hard process to be, away from home, being away from family. It looks like he's gonna do the stuff over there. Oh my God, they're gonna be working over there. They're gonna make them. My God,
We're gonna work them and then.
they're gonna make the. They're gonna work the powder over there. They're gonna
No.
make a mess.
Ew,
Eh?
you have Kiki right here.
Kike.
Kiki. Let me.
I experienced the same. I'm from the state of Sonora. Go. Chismosa. Sonora in the house.
Nora?
Sonora. Ah, okay. I grew up in Monterrey. Do you have a PH driver license? I have to convert my. No. No, I don't, bro. I have. Legally, I'm not supposed to drive anymore. But when you live in the province, bro, no one's gonna stop you or nothing. In Bohol, yeah. When I went to Bohol, I was in Anda. Man, I went out there. I didn't have a helmet. They stopped me real quick. Um, yeah, you gotta convert it before you gotta. If you convert it, you don't have to go through the driver's testing. You don't have to do all the testing and shit. That's the good thing about it. Um, man, yeah, it's gonna suck if I have to get a. I don't know. For right now, I'm not gonna need it. If I'm gonna be living here for a couple years, then I'm not gonna need it. And I don't know. Would they accept the international driver license? Yeah. If you come in, like for example, I came with a Texas driver license, whatever. You have up to 3 months to convert it. If you don't convert it, if you miss out on the opportunity to convert it, then it's basically gonna your driver license is gonna be trash. You have to go through all the process here, just like a Filipino, to get your driver license. Yes, but only for 90 days. Yeah, that's correct. That's correct, brother. My shit expired right now. Well, the Lambo, it's not even registered or nothing, bro. People don't register. Well, when you're in the provinces, well, it depends. It depends too. Because when I went to Anda Bohol, like it's basically a province, but it has like a nice tourist spot. Still going strong, the Lambo. Yeah, man. I started putting it right here where this Honda is in front of me. And as soon as they leave, they park their shit right there. And now it's got to sit back in the sun. Well, I can move it over here for now. But, yeah, the point is, it's not putting the motorbikes right here because then everyone's going to do it. My wife don't want motorbikes right here. 4X4, the Lambo. Yeah, man. I want to get a four-wheeler, bro. To be honest, I was thinking of a Baja, the tricycle. But I think a four-wheeler would be real fucking nice over here. 4x4 four-wheeler. Man, I could take that thing anywhere over here. Anda is beautiful and it's not so much tourist like Panglao. Yeah, that's what I liked about it. That it's kind of like the tourists there is not really crowded right now where, you know what I'm saying? Check out the color, guys. This is the color dye. So it's gonna be like a dark gray. Look.